Hello, everybody. It's Mrs. Ritchie. I'm here to give you a tutorial on your assignment. It's interactive notes, and the lesson is Introduction to Google Sheets. And these interactive notes are just like the ones that we do in class all the time, where I put your notes up on the screen, and you guys have your own copy, and you fill in the blanks as I give you the notes. So we're going to do it exactly the same way. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do when you get your notes is to click on this link and watch this video that gives you helpful information about getting started with Google Sheets. It's a lot of the basics, so it's important for you to watch that. When you're done watching that tutorial, you're going to click here. And I don't have my tutorial yet because I'm recording it for you right now. I'm going to go back and put in a link right here. When you're done watching this video, you're going to watch the video that's going to be linked right here, okay? And I'm making it as we speak. When I'm done recording, I'll save that and put that right here in your assignment for you. So click here and watch, then click here and watch. And this is going to be my recording that I'm doing now. Okay, so Google Sheets allows you to organize, edit, and analyze different types of information using spreadsheets. So you're going to fill in the blanks, organize, edit, and analyze, just like in class, guys. Okay? In this lesson, you'll learn about the different ways you might use spreadsheets and how to navigate the Google Sheets interface. You'll also learn the basic ways to work with cells and cell content, including how to select cells, insert content, and copy and paste cells. Okay, now I'm going to present. Here we go. Perfect. Google Sheets is a web-based spreadsheet application that allows you to store and organize different types of information, much like Microsoft Excel, okay, which you learned already. We talk about Sheets and Excel being very similar. While Google Sheets does not offer all of Excel's advanced features, it's easy to create and edit spreadsheets ranging from the simple to the complex. While you might think spreadsheets are only used by certain people to process complicated numbers and data, they can actually be used for a variety of everyday tasks. And I already told you this in class. I know I did. I put my Disney packing list on an Excel spreadsheet. I put my shopping list on an Excel spreadsheet. I put my to-do list on an Excel spreadsheet. My husband's a coach. He puts his team players and their positions on a spreadsheet. He puts their batting order on a spreadsheet. We put lists of people and their email addresses on a spreadsheet. So yes, it is good for corporations and businesses to calculate complicated numbers like sales averages and projections and inventory and payroll. You still can use Sheets and Excel for a lot of everyday tasks. So that's why it's important for you to learn Sheets and Excel. But of course, we're using this for Sheets right now. Whether you're starting a budget, planning a garden, or creating an invoice, or just about anything else you can think of, spreadsheets are a great way to organize information. You can use spreadsheets to organize a field trip. Okay, let's take a look at this spreadsheet. Art Museum field trip checklist. So probably, I would imagine a teacher created this spreadsheet to keep track of the students who are going on the field trip, the students who were invited to go on the field trip. Column B, here's column A, the name of the field trip, the students. Column B, you'll see the students that are attending, and this teacher put an X next to the students that are attending. In column C, you'll see the students that are not attending. Column D, the students who returned a permission slip. And column E, the students who are taking a chaperone. Okay. When you're done with your guided notes, you're going to come back to this slide and you're going to answer some questions about the spreadsheet on the previous slide, okay? You can also use spreadsheets to plan a classroom budget. This is a classroom budget for the fall of 2012. In column A, you'll see the items. Column B, you'll see the price. Column C, you'll see the type. Column D, reimbursed or not. Column E, a description. Down below, you'll see the amount of the budget for the fall, the amount of the budget for the spring, and then they're keeping track of new stools down in this little section, okay? And this is, oops, I'm just gonna go back for a minute. Present. Here we go. So this is to organize a budget. Okay, plan a classroom budget. Outstanding. Now you're going to do this slide later. You're going to go back and answer questions about the previous slide. Next, you can use spreadsheets to, oops, I'm going to go back again. You can use spreadsheets to collect contact information, gather contact information. And in this spreadsheet, you'll see art club contact information, the name of the people in the art club, the phone numbers, the email address, the date of birth, column E, age as of September 1st, 2011, column F, which days your child will be able to attend, and column G, how will your child get home from art club? So you can use spreadsheets to gather contact information. You're going to go back to the slide and answer questions about the previous spreadsheet. You can use spreadsheets to calculate exercise statistics. This is an example of an exercise log. You'll see that there are different types of exercises listed in column B. Column C has the reps and column D has the weight for set 1. E and F has the reps and weight for set 2, and G and H has the reps and weight for set 3. Okay, you can use spreadsheets to calculate exercise statistics. Moving along, you're going to use this slide to answer questions about the previous spreadsheet. So wait for this one until you're done. Okay. On this slide, you need to take a look at the different areas and fill in the blanks on the next slide. So I'm going to help you get through this, and let's take a look at number 1. Number 1, you navigate to Google Sheets home screen. If you click on this green button, you get back to the Google Sheets home screen. Navigate to Google Sheets home screen. Number 2, let's take a look at number 2. Number 2 indicates a row. A row is a group of cells that runs horizontally from side to side. So this is an example of row 9, row 10, row 7. You get the idea. Rows run horizontally. Okay, rows are numbered. So number 2 is row. Number 3. Number 3 is cell. Each cell rectangle is in a spreadsheet and is called a cell. A cell is the intersection of a row and a column. You click to select a cell. Cell A1 is selected in this example. So here's an example of a selected cell. Here's another cell, B5. So this one is a cell. 3 is cell, and 4 is way over here. Let's take a look at number 4. Collaboration operations. Collaboration lets you work with somebody else. It allows you to share your spreadsheet with others and make comments as you work. Collaboration options. Okay, number 4, that's this button right here, share. Collaboration options. Number 5 is up here. Let's take a look at number 5. Save changes notification. Google Sheets automatically saves your changes as you work. The Save Changes notification lets you know your spreadsheet has been saved. So this one right here, Saved Changes Notification. Number 5, Saved Changes Notification. All right, let's find number 6. It's like a game. I like this. 6 is right here. Let's take a look at number 6. Shortcut toolbar. This toolbar provides convenient shortcut buttons for formatting the data in your spreadsheet, like font size, text alignment, and text color. Shortcut toolbar. Right here. Number 7, toolbar menu. You can use the toolbar menu options to edit and modify your spreadsheet in various ways. Click a menu and select a desired action from the drop-down list. Number 7, toolbar menu. Number 8 is right here. Number 8 is formula bar. You can use the formula bar to enter data and functions and formulas for a specific cell. Number 8, formula bar. Number 9, spreadsheet title. By default, any new spreadsheet is named Untitled Spreadsheet. Click the title to rename the spreadsheet. Right here, number 9, spreadsheet title. Number 10 is right here. Column. A column is a group of cells that runs vertically from top to bottom. Columns are identified by letters. Column C is selected in this example. Here's column C, D, E. Columns run vertically. And number 11, the Sheets toolbar. Every spreadsheet can have multiple sheets. Select the Sheets tab to navigate among the sheets and click the plus sign to add a new sheet. And they give you 3 sheets at the bottom as a default. So that's like having 3 pieces of paper, 3 spreadsheets, if you will, in a file folder. Okay? And you can always add more by hitting the plus at the bottom. So the last one, number 11, is your Sheets toolbar. Okay? Now I'm going to keep going. Name that square. The anatomy of a Google Sheet. Identify the arrows on the previous slide. Okay, so you might want to rewind and listen to me say them again. When you're done, you're going to go back to slides 4, 6, 8, and 10 and answer questions about the previous spreadsheet. So let's go back to slides 4, 6, 8, and 10. 4, you're going to answer these questions right here about this spreadsheet, the field trip spreadsheet. 6, you're going to answer these questions right here over on this side, and it's going to be about the classroom budget spreadsheet. Let's see, slide 8, you're going to answer this question right here using the information from this spreadsheet, the contact information spreadsheet. And lastly, you're going to answer questions over here, answer the questions over here about the exercise statistics spreadsheet. Okay, so when you're done, you will have watched the Getting Started with Google Sheets tutorial. You obviously will be watching my tutorial because I'm making it right now. I'm going to put the link right here for you. You're going to do the interactive notes with me, filling in the blanks as you go. I do appreciate if you could use a red ink. It will help me just pick out your answers. The next thing you're going to do is look at this spreadsheet look at this spreadsheet, look at this one, okay? Organizing a field trip, planning a classroom budget, gathering contact information, calculating exercise statistics, listening to me explain the parts of or the anatomy of a Google Sheet, naming the parts. Now going back to slides 4, 6, 8, and 10 and answering the questions about the previous spreadsheet. I'm always available for help. Email me at any time and I'll be happy to help you. Have a great day, guys.